The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is off the coast of Queensland in the northeast of Australia. It is a natural structure like an underwater wall, made up of over 2,900 coral reefs. The Great Barrier Reef stretches for around 2,300 kilometres through the Coral Sea. Coral reefs are large pieces of rock made from billions of tiny plant-like animals called corals. The coral reefs in the Great Barrier Reef have been growing for around 20,000 years. In fact, the Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system. You can even see it from space. The Great Barrier Reef has been a World Heritage Site since 1981. Its coral reefs provide food and shelter for a huge variety of sea wildlife. It has around 1,500 species of fish, 134 species of sharks and rays, and 30 species of marine mammals like whales and dolphins. There are also sea snakes and sea turtles, including the loggerhead sea turtle. Sadly though, since 1985, the Great Barrier Reef has lost over half of its coral, mostly because of climate change. Crown-of-thorns starfish are also responsible for destroying much of the coral. The Earth is getting warmer, and small changes in water temperature can cause coral bleaching. This is when coral turns white and dies. Experts say that we need to reduce our carbon emissions now to save the world's coral reefs. These days, over 33% of the Great Barrier Reef is off-limits to visitors. This is to protect it from overfishing and water pollution. People can still visit the rest of the reef though, and there are lots of things to do, from snorkeling around the corals, swimming with the colourful fish, to relaxing on sandy beaches nearby. One thing's for sure, when you experience this amazing wonder of nature, you'll realise how important it is to protect it for future generations. Did you know you can actually tour the Great Barrier Reef from your own home? Since 2014, Google Underwater Street View has allowed internet users to view the Great Barrier Reef from home. Why not check it out to see this natural wonder for yourself?